Alright guys, what's going on? Justin from 79th Productions, and today we just got our turbo kit in. It's raining outside, so I'm not going to be doing it by the car today. I'm going to be doing it in the hallway of my apartment building, but it just came in today, and yeah, there goes the box, and I'll get to unboxing it right now. So it's a downpipe. All right, so here's the turbo. Now on eBay, it didn't really say what everything came with. It said it came with 15 pieces, but I'm not 100% sure, so we're just gonna open everything up and see what it is. All right, this one's pretty cool. It's actually the turbo manifold. Now, gaskets fell out. Yeah, here's the gaskets. I actually thought about getting the cast manifold, but this one came with this and I thought it would look better, so we'll see how this works out. All right, this is the wastegate. Yeah, wastegate. And the fittings, the flanges. Let's see what else comes in here. Here's the oil lines. What's this? Is it? No, okay, just a filter. Filter. I think this is what the blow-off valve goes on to the flange for it. Gaskets. Here's some oil lines and fittings. All right, that's the intercooler. It's the intercooler. Okay. All right, so here's all the rest of the intercooler piping. All right, what is this? Some bolts. All right, guys, so here's the turbo kit, the $500 eBay turbo kit. Now, online, it was, let me get it to focus in, $498 shipped to my front door. Now, it didn't have all of this stuff in the description that's in the pictures, but everything does come with it. It came with the oil lines, the gaskets, timers, flanges, manifold, turbo. Here's the turbo. Not exactly sure what size it is, but I'll check and I'll let you guys know. Down piping, intercooler piping. So yeah, this is all it. And it's gonna go on, it says it's capable of 450 horsepower, but we're not gonna, the car is not gonna be anything close to that right now. We're probably gonna only boost like 8 pounds. So yeah, guys, but I'm super excited. I got the turbo kit in. If you guys want to see this build, subscribe if you haven't already. And it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun just having a turbo kit in the car. It's gonna be really fun. So yeah, 500 bucks on eBay. Not sure how it holds up before everyone says, oh, well, you know, it's such a cheap kit. It's $500. We're gonna try it out. So, you know, it's gonna be built on a budget. But yeah, guys, if you like these videos, like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at 79th Productions. And guys, if you want to help support the channel, link will be in the description. Pick up some t-shirts, pick up some vinyl decals. Even if you just buy a vinyl decal, it'll help out the channel a lot. And it also helped me finish this because I still got to get an ECU. I still got to take it. Once I get it on, I still got to get it tuned and everything. So it'll help out the channel a lot if you purchase some merchandise. But guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless you guys.